We at Cars for Movie are proud to present always very unique vehicles.
A dealer is going to deliver this car to our home.
Never leave home. Never leave home.
January 2025, we just received this 2002 Rialta with 113,000 miles with North Carolina rebuilt title. Probably had a hail damage or on the roof or something. It was purchased many years ago from the insurance company and it was rebuilt. We found the transmission has been replaced a year ago at the cost of $9,360. Tires are fairly good. I drove it from North Carolina here. It's been living in California for the past year. There's no signs of rust whatsoever anywhere. It has a little protection bar for the air conditioning. The charade has a couple of cracks on the cover. AC is operational. Generators on these are never operational unless you have them rebuilt. It has an on generator. It has a silent generator, which means it produces 110 volt electricity for usage when you are traveling or when you are parked. Up to a certain degree, when you're driving, it's charging that unit continuously. It's not strong enough to run your roof AC, but it runs all your other appliances, no problem. It has a very powerful front AC, very powerful rear AC for the passengers in the back. It also has a roof AC that's working. This is the condition of the seats, as you can see. We're adding the new backup camera there. And you can see. That's your auxiliary start button to jump the batteries. This is your AC in the back here. That's the heat for the back passenger dinette area. This is your front AC. And that's everything working beautifully. Has 113,000 miles, 568. I will show you the inside in a moment. Here's a screen door. Wood floor. You have a little closet here. There's nothing there. This is your AC working, tested. That's your clean stove. Your sink for the kitchen area. You have a closet here. You can see the model says 2002. This is the QD, which means 8 passenger traveling all together. 2 sleep up here. There is also an optional seat. These seats somehow become a bed. An additional person can sleep there. That's your microwave. More storage there. You have more storage here. These, they fold like that and it becomes a bed. This also folds and goes inside like that. That's your testing for the water levels and everything. LP tank, liquid petroleum is almost full. Now here is your TV system. It has all 3 batteries new. These are 2 brand new batteries for the coach, the motorhome section, and also the engine battery is been replaced. So that's been done. You have more storage here. That's your TV. More storage here. Cup holders there. Cup holders there. You push these buttons and this thing slides out. And this is your toilet. That's your sump to drain the shower water there. That's your sink, and this is your shower that goes up there. You push it down and it's closed. The purpose of the video is for our sight unseen buyers. We do free shipping for all the buyers with 7-day warranty. Local pickups. We are not in the business of an open house showing. If you are really interested, you have given some deposit, you're welcome to pick it up in person, and you can see and touch it. Make sure we are not a scam and everything exists and it's not a misrepresentation of the unit. So we honestly try to describe as best we can all the condition of it. There's a storage compartment here, more storage here, and also there is a storage in the back. This is your additional storage again. Your jack and tools are there, and spare tire is underneath. You can hear this engine pearl, so beautiful. This is the condition of the ceiling. Has all the owner's manual, the books, 2 extra keys, and it's got that, this is that silent generator, producing electricity while you're driving and getting charged from the cigarette lighter down there. This is the receipt for the transmission. You can see for $9,000 it was rebuilt. You can see the stove working beautifully. Beautiful color flames. This is the heater furnace. It's working. Let's turn the water heater on. Water heater, hot water.
Cylinder, and we're slightly shorter than the later models. From 97 to 2000, we have the VR6 140 horse models that were also 1 foot longer than the earlier model. In 2001 to 2005, 24-valve VR6 engine at 201 horsepower. The last chassis was supplied in 2003, and there was also a wheel change size from 50.
The ceiling is 6 foot tall in most areas. The rear bed section is almost 7 feet tall, is 82 inches. And it is 50-inch wide. 50-inch wide. It has over 3,000 parts. We never claim that we replace everything. Only what's needed, necessary major components are replaced.
Our vehicles pass through a 50-point inspection. We make sure major mechanical components are checked and in good working order. If any major parts that need to be replaced or serviced, we have it done. Second step is the interior restoration. Full detail to a major blemish or damage repaired. Our primary sales are through sight unseen internet buyers customers. Once we are funded, we ship immediately. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority.